Hi friends, it's me Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey, listen friends, I want to come on here real quick because I don't know if you remember me telling you that on my last video that I was getting ready to get out there and see what I could find. Anywho, I want to share with you real quick what I picked up. And it's so funny because I was just telling a friend of mine here on social media that I've been out and about and not being able to find anything. And sometimes it's frustrating, friends, as far as being a crafter, because you want inspiration. You want to be able to, think about what your next craft is going to be. And sometimes it's hard when you can't find the things that you need, to put that together. Anywho, so real quick, I want to show you some items that I picked up. So if you're ready, here we go. I picked up a few florals because I'm getting ready to do a witch for Halloween. And I want to do not something scary or spooky, but something cutesy. Anyway, I picked this up, and I know you've probably seen these before. And this is called Amaranthus. And yes, I picked this up. And then, so I'm going to show you a few florals first. And then this one here is just a filler bush. And it's got these cute little purple little flowers. I thought those were really cute, so I picked those up. The other thing I picked up was this. I thought, ooh. So anywho, this one's called Hanging Greenery, even though it's not green. But I thought this would be perfect for my little witch that I want to do. Anywho, so I got that. And I also saw this as well. It's called Halloween Dahlia Bush. And I thought those were really, really pretty. I love that purple. Now, I'm not really a purple girl, but when it comes to making a witch, I thought I like these, so I picked them up. Now, the other thing I picked up also is found these little guys. And they're just a mini sunflower bush. And I thought these are so cute, friends, especially when we're getting ready for fall and we start making little scarecrows and you want to put a little sunflower on his hat. These are really cute. So these are out now. And so I picked this up. The other thing I picked up is I picked up these little dowels, these wooden dowels. And I thought, you know what? I'm just going to pick them up because you never know when you need them. So I want to be ready. And the other thing I picked up was a little wired jute cord. And I thought this was kind of cool, so I picked that up. The other thing I picked up was these two little fabrics, craft fabrics. And one has some bees on it, and the other one is kind of a little fall. I'll bring it in close. Anywho, so I picked those up. And do you remember me making that little bee head? That really cute bee head from the ice cream container. Anywho, I was looking for some of these floral foam balls and I couldn't find them. Well, now after I've made the project, I find them. So I picked up two because I want to be ready, for the next time if I want to do another some sort of bug. Anywho, so I picked those up, friends. Anywho, friends, that's pretty much it. It was a small little things that I picked up, but I did go to another store, and lo and behold, I don't know if you know this, friends, about me, but I love pumpkins. I love all things pumpkins. I love pumpkin spice coffee. I love pumpkin pie. Anywho, what I'm trying to get at is, this is what I found, and so I picked it up because I thought, you know what? When it comes time for fall, it's not going to be around. Someone else is going to pick it up, but you know what? I thought, no, Rose, go ahead and get it. This is what I picked up, friends. Isn't it cute? It's absolutely beautiful, and the lid comes off, and I just can't take it off right now because it's tied on pretty tight, so, and I don't want it to break. But it is glass, and it is a candle, and it smells so good, friends. I just love all things fall. I always have. But anywho, friends, I just thought I'd come on here real quick and share with you what I picked up. And I hope I inspired you today to get out there and see what you can find so that you can get crafty, friends. Anywho, if you see something, pick it up, friends, because if you think you're going to go back and find it later, it's not going to be there. Anywho, friends, I hope that you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm going to get ready to get out there again and see what I can get into. Anywho, friends, so if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to sprinkle me out. And until we see each other again, take care and bye-bye.
Rustic Rose, season a home decor.